Welcome to our channel. Today we how to delete your LinkedIn search history, privacy walkthrough step by step clearly. Open the LinkedIn app on your phone, or go to linkedin.com on your computer and sign in. On mobile, tap your profile photo in the top left to open the main menu. On desktop, click the Me icon at the top of the page to open your account menu. Select Settings and Privacy to enter your account settings. In the Settings page, open the Data Privacy tab to find Activity and History controls. Scroll until you see a section related to search history or search experience. If you are on desktop, use the left side menu under Data Privacy to locate search history faster. Click or tap Search History to open the list of your recent searches. Wait for the page to load so you can see people, jobs, companies, and keywords you searched for. Look for a Clear or Clear All button near the top of the search history page. Tap Clear or Clear All to remove the full search history in one action. When the confirmation pop-up appears, choose Clear to confirm the deletion. If you only want to remove one item, find that specific search entry in the list. Tap the X or Remove icon next to that entry to delete only that single search. Repeat the single item removal for any other searches you don't want to keep. After clearing, refresh the page once to confirm the list is empty or updated. Now go back to the Data Privacy tab to review related privacy settings. Find the option that manages how LinkedIn uses your activity to personalize your experience. If available, reduce personalization settings to limit future tracking based on searches. Return to the main LinkedIn search bar to verify that old suggestions are no longer shown. If suggestions still appear, close the app completely or sign out and sign back in. On iPhone, you can also restart the app to ensure cached suggestions update. On Android, you can optionally clear LinkedIn's cache from your device settings for a deeper refresh. To clear cache on Android, open Settings, Apps, LinkedIn, Storage, then tap Clear Cache. Avoid tapping Clear Data unless you understand it may sign you out and reset the app. Back in LinkedIn, perform a new test search to confirm only new activity is being recorded. If you use multiple devices, repeat these steps on each device to ensure consistency. Check again in Settings and Privacy after a few minutes to confirm the search history stays cleared. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.